The cyclamen, also called Persian violet, is a plant that is characterized by having very colorful and delicate flowers, as well as a pleasant perfume. Do you want to grow these beautiful plants in your home? Then keep watching this The Daily Eco video, where we give you a complete guide to caring for cyclamen plants. Let's get started. Temperature and light. The cyclamen grows in cool or cold climates. Therefore, its worst enemy is excess heat and harsh sunlight. This means that if you want your cyclamen to grow properly, you should place it in an area of the garden where it has good lighting but does not receive direct sunlight. If instead you have it in a pot inside your home, find a room with lots of natural light and place it where it does not receive direct sunlight. Likewise, it is also important that the room is well ventilated, with a cool temperature that does not exceed 16 degrees Celsius. Irrigation of the cyclamen. The best way to water a cyclamen is by capillarity or immersion. That is, placing the base of the pot on a plate or container with water for about 15 minutes so the plant absorbs the water it needs. Then it must be removed to dry on another plate with gravel, paper, or another draining material. In addition, it's essential to use warm water to avoid thermal shock to the plant, which would make it lose its flowers sooner. Regarding the frequency of irrigation, this will completely depend on the conditions of the area where the plant is. Normally, it is recommended to water the cyclamen once a week, but it's best to check that the substrate is dry before watering it. If it's been a week and it's still damp, you'll need to wait for it to dry completely before watering your plants. Substrate, compost, and pruning. The most suitable substrate for cyclamen will be a mixture of peat and sand so that it drains well, in addition to a good supply of organic matter. Also, when the plant begins to develop flower buds, you can add liquid fertilizer in the waterings to nourish the plant and help it bloom. Lastly, prune any flowers or stems that are beginning to spoil or wilt. Before we continue, we're going to put you to the test. Do you think cyclamen is a bulbous plant? A, yes, or B, no? Have you thought about it? The correct answer is A. Cyclamen is a bulbous plant. This means that instead of developing roots just below the stem, they develop a bulb from which roots will sprout. Fallen flowers on the cyclamen. Cyclamen flowering is long-term, so it's completely normal for some flowers to decline and die throughout this period. These flowers have given all that they could, so it's okay to cut them. However, if this happens to many or entire areas of the plant, it's possible that your plant is not receiving the necessary care we have previously mentioned. A common issue is that you are overwatering your cyclamen, and this is causing some parts of the plant to become excessively wet and rot. Cyclamen pests and diseases. If you want your cyclamen to grow and thrive, you must know what pests and diseases can affect it in order to detect them with ease and be able to treat and prevent them. The most common pests of this plant are cyclamen mites, aphids, red spiders, whiteflies, thrips. And the diseases that can affect the cyclamen are powdery mildew, pythium, rhizoctonia, phyllostichta, root rot, and rhizome rot. If you follow these tips, you are sure to care for a healthy and beautiful cyclamen. We hope you enjoyed this The Daily Eco video, and we'll see you in the next one.